Ever wondered why your grandmother's dining table still looks perfect after 60 years, while your modern furniture falls apart after 5? While mass-produced furniture relies on particle board and chemical glues, Amish craftsmen have perfected techniques that create furniture lasting centuries. Their secret isn't expensive technology, it's ancient wisdom that makes IKEA furniture look like disposable toys. Real wood. The foundation of Amish furniture's incredible durability starts with one simple truth: they use actual wood. While modern furniture manufacturers fill stores with particle board made from sawdust mixed with chemical adhesives, Amish craftsmen select solid hardwood planks. This isn't just a preference, it's the difference between building something permanent versus something temporary. Traditional joinery. Amish furniture gains its legendary strength through joinery techniques that have survived for centuries. Instead of relying on nails, screws, or metal brackets like modern furniture, they use dovetail joints and mortise and tenon connections that actually become stronger over time. These wooden joints interlock like puzzle pieces, creating bonds that are virtually unbreakable when properly executed by skilled hands. Wood selection. The durability of Amish furniture begins long before construction starts, with an incredibly selective wood-choosing process that would shock modern manufacturers. Each individual piece of lumber undergoes careful inspection for flaws, grain direction, and structural integrity. Wood with imperfections gets rejected immediately, while suitable pieces are evaluated for how they'll work together as a complete furniture piece, with even the grain patterns considered for both strength and beauty. Proper seasoning. One of the most critical factors determining furniture longevity involves the wood seasoning process that Amish craftsmen have perfected over generations. Green wood contains high moisture content that causes warping, cracking, and joint failure if used too quickly. Traditional air drying methods require patience, with lumber carefully stacked and left to dry naturally for months or even years depending on thickness and species. Some operations also use controlled keyline drying to reduce moisture content to optimal levels. This investment in time prevents the dimensional changes that destroy furniture integrity, ensuring pieces remain stable and strong for decades. The seasoning process requires constant monitoring and expertise to avoid defects like case hardening, where outer wood dries faster than the interior, creating internal stresses that can cause splitting later. Pneumatic tools. While the Amish reject electricity from the public grid, they've ingeniously adapted modern efficiency through pneumatic and hydraulic tools powered by diesel generators and compressed air systems. This allows them to maintain precision and productivity while staying true to their values of self-sufficiency and independence from outside utilities. Air-powered planers, sanders, and cutting tools provide the accuracy needed for perfect joints and smooth surfaces, proving that traditional values and modern efficiency can coexist. These tools enable Amish workshops to compete with factory production speeds while maintaining the quality control that mass production cannot achieve. The compressed air systems also power specialized equipment for mortise cutting and joint shaping that would be impossible to accomplish efficiently with hand tools alone, yet still require the skilled eye and experienced hand of master craftsmen. Hardwood species. The selection of appropriate hardwood species for specific furniture pieces demonstrates the deep understanding Amish craftsmen possess about wood properties and their applications in furniture construction. Oak provides exceptional strength and distinctive grain patterns perfect for dining tables and chairs that must withstand daily use and heavy loads. Cherry wood offers both beauty and workability, developing a rich patina over time that makes it ideal for bedroom furniture and cabinets. Maple delivers incredible hardness and fine grain structure suited for kitchen furniture and items requiring smooth surfaces. Walnut combines strength with luxurious appearance for special pieces like entertainment centers and formal dining sets. Each species selection considers factors like density, grain stability, staining characteristics, and intended use patterns. This knowledge comes from generations of experience working with local timber resources and understanding how different woods age and respond to environmental conditions over decades of use. Hand finishing. The superior surface quality of Amish furniture results from meticulous hand finishing techniques that mass production simply cannot replicate, creating the smooth as glass surfaces that become legendary among furniture owners. Hand planes, carefully sharpened and expertly wielded, remove microscopic imperfections and create perfectly flat, smooth surfaces that machine sanders cannot match. This process requires years of skill development to master the proper angles, pressure, and stroke patterns needed for flawless results. Each surface receives individual attention, with craftsmen feeling for imperfections and adjusting their technique accordingly. The hand sanding process follows multiple grits, progressing from coarse to ultra-fine abrasives to achieve the silk-like texture that makes Amish furniture so distinctive to touch. This attention to surface preparation also ensures that stains and finishes penetrate evenly and bond properly, creating lasting protection and beauty. The time investment in hand finishing significantly exceeds mass production schedules, but creates surfaces that improve rather than deteriorate with age and use. Quality construction. Every aspect of Amish furniture construction demonstrates an uncompromising commitment to quality that mass manufacturers abandoned decades ago in favor of cost-cutting and speed. Mortise and tenon joints receive precise fitting with tolerances measured in thousandths of an inch, creating connections stronger than the surrounding wood itself. Dovetail drawers feature hand-cut joints that interlock perfectly, becoming tighter and more secure with age and use rather than loosening like mechanical fasteners. Full extension ball-bearing drawer slides provide smooth operation and complete access while supporting substantial weight loads. Table legs attach through multiple connection points rather than simple corner brackets, distributing stress across larger areas to prevent failure. Panel construction uses tongue and groove joints that allow for seasonal wood movement without gaps or splitting. Hardware selection emphasizes function and longevity over cost, with hinges, handles, and slides chosen for decades of reliable operation. Even seemingly minor details like screw selection receive attention, with appropriate thread types and lengths chosen for each specific application to ensure permanent, secure connections. Craftsman heritage. The exceptional quality of Amish furniture emerges from a unique cultural system where woodworking expertise passes directly from generation to generation within families and communities, creating craftsmen whose skills begin developing in childhood and continue refining throughout their working lives. Young boys learn wood selection and grain reading by accompanying fathers and uncles to lumber yards and sawmills, developing an intuitive understanding of material quality that cannot be taught in schools or training programs. Teenage apprentices spend years mastering basic techniques like hand planing and joint cutting before advancing to complex construction methods, ensuring that fundamental skills become second nature. This apprenticeship system preserves traditional knowledge while allowing for gradual innovation and improvement in techniques. Master craftsmen take personal pride in training the next generation, viewing their legacy through the skills they pass on rather than just the furniture they create. The community workshop environment encourages knowledge sharing and friendly competition that drives continuous improvement in quality and efficiency. Work ethic becomes deeply ingrained, with furniture construction viewed as both livelihood and calling rather than just manufacturing. This cultural foundation creates craftsmen who approach each piece as a reflection of their personal reputation and family heritage. The tradition extends beyond technical skills to include character development, teaching patience, precision, and persistence that serve craftsmen throughout their careers. Master artisans understand that their reputation depends not only on their own work, but on the quality of students they train, creating powerful incentives for comprehensive education. Workshop hierarchies develop naturally, with experienced craftsmen earning respect through demonstrated excellence rather than formal titles or credentials. This merit-based system ensures that leadership positions go to those with proven expertise and teaching ability. Community celebrations often recognize exceptional craftsmanship, reinforcing cultural values that prioritize skill development over quick profits or mass production efficiency. Natural finishes. The finishing process for Amish furniture emphasizes enhancing rather than concealing the natural beauty and character of the wood, using hand-applied oils, stains, and protective coatings that preserve and highlight the material's inherent qualities. Traditional finishing techniques avoid heavy, plastic-like coatings that hide wood grain in favor of penetrating finishes that soak into the wood fibers and provide protection from within. Hand-rubbed oil finishes create rich, warm surfaces that develop deeper character over time, unlike synthetic coatings that simply wear away. Multiple thin coats build gradually, with each application hand-rubbed to ensure even coverage and proper penetration. The staining process considers each piece individually, with color application adjusted to complement the specific grain patterns and natural variations in the wood. Custom color matching allows clients to achieve exact shade preferences while maintaining the wood's natural appearance. Protective topcoats use conversion varnishes and other durable formulations that resist scratches, moisture, and everyday wear while remaining nearly invisible. The finishing process can require days or weeks for complex pieces, with proper curing time between coats essential for achieving maximum durability and beauty. Environmental conditions play crucial roles in finishing success, with craftsmen monitoring temperature and humidity levels throughout the process to ensure optimal results. Traditional recipes for finishes often include natural ingredients like linseed oil, beeswax, and tree resins that enhance wood preservation while maintaining breathability that prevents moisture-related problems. Master finishers develop extensive knowledge of how different wood species respond to various treatment combinations, allowing them to predict and control final appearance with remarkable precision. The hand application process enables craftsmen to work with the unique characteristics of each board, adjusting technique to accommodate grain direction, density variations, and natural color differences. This individualized approach ensures that every surface receives optimal treatment rather than the standardized coating applications used in mass production. Repairability factor. One of the most overlooked advantages of solid wood Amish furniture lies in its ability to be repaired, refinished, and restored to like-new condition throughout its service life, creating true lifetime value that mass-produced furniture simply cannot match. Solid wood construction allows for sanding away scratches, dents, and wear marks that would permanently damage veneer or laminated surfaces. Traditional joinery methods can be disassembled if necessary for major repairs, with joints recut and refitted to restore structural integrity. Wood stains and finishes can be completely stripped and renewed, allowing furniture to be updated for changing decor preferences or restored to original condition after decades of use. Professional restoration services understand traditional construction methods and can source appropriate materials for authentic repairs. Even major damage like broken legs or split panels can often be repaired by skilled craftsmen using traditional techniques and matching wood species. The modular construction approach allows individual components to be replaced without affecting the entire piece. This repairability factor means that well-maintained Amish furniture can literally last for centuries, with each restoration actually improving its character and value. Contrast this with particle board furniture that must be completely discarded when damaged, and the true economic and environmental value of traditional construction becomes clear through its sustainability and longevity. Restoration specialists often maintain relationships with original makers, ensuring access to matching materials and construction knowledge that preserves authenticity across decades. The economic mathematics of repair versus replacement strongly favor solid wood construction, with typical restoration costs representing small fractions of new furniture prices while extending useful life by additional decades. Insurance companies increasingly recognize this value, offering special coverage for handcrafted furniture that acknowledges both its higher initial cost and superior longevity compared to mass-produced alternatives. Restoration projects often reveal construction details and craftsmanship quality that weren't visible in the original piece, allowing owners to develop deeper appreciation for the skill invested in their furniture. Family heirloom status frequently emerges during restoration processes as multiple generations discover the superior construction and timeless design that justified their ancestors' original investment decisions.